I want you to try this one. Solve this differential equation by separating the variables. Alright, you finished? What did you get? Let's see. You want to have on the left hand side a function of y dy, and you integrate that. And on the right hand side a function of x dx, and you integrate that. So you have dy by dx. Let's factorize out on the right. You have y times x minus 1. Okay, good. So if you divide by y, you have 1 divided by y. It's going to be dy by dx, but you multiply by dx. So you have dy is equal to, you divided by y, so this is gone, x minus 1 dx. Okay, and then you integrate both sides. So 1 over y dy, the integral of 1 over y dy is ln y is equal to, well, the integral of x minus 1 dx is going to be x squared over 2 minus x, and then you add your constant of integration plus c. Alright, so there you have it. That's what you have as your solution. But if you want to, or asked, if you're asked to use your knowledge of the laws of logarithms and indices to write this, rewrite this in a form that looks simpler, what you could do is have e raised to the power of both sides. So e to the ln y is equal to e to the x squared over 2 minus x plus c. E to the ln y is y equals, well, here you could rewrite this as e to the x squared over 2 divided by e to the x plus e to the c times e to the c. Right? So that's from memory of the laws of indices. Alright, so, well, this could remain y equals e to the x squared over 2 minus x. Let's just leave that as it is. I wrote it as divided by e to the x, but it looks a bit simpler if you put it back this way. And then e to the c now is just another constant, because if c is a constant, and e to the c is another constant. So let's make a little space here and call e to the c d. Alright, so y equal d e to the, or another way to put it, instead of saying d, you could say this is e to the c2, constant 2, right? So e to the c is a constant. Now that is why the way some books or website want, the authors want to do it, right? But you could change e to the c to a second constant. You already use c, so you don't want to use c again. You could say c2, c3, whatever it is. Sometimes you just jump back at the beginning of the alphabet and call it a. And if you have another constant, then you call it b, and so on. Alright? So that is what you have as your solution, a way to write your solution. Y equal a e to the x squared over 2 minus x.